see this beautiful 90 behind me is the most recent that joined our fleet, and we are so grateful you are here to celebrate with us the christening of Julianne.
When Larry and Joan put their heads together in combination with Jeff DRUEK and the Outer Reef team, they inevitably built the best yacht that we've ever built.
It was 2 years ago at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, if I remember. It was very public, so he couldn't back out. He stood up with a check. And he says, this is a check for our new... We didn't know what it was at that point, did we? So it is a family, close family, but Joan, you and Larry are a special family. And right here.
This is the most incredibly creative, passionate boat builder I've ever met. And we've built a few boats. And I have to tell you, Jeff, your creativity is really what put 6 en-suite staterooms in this boat. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. I can't thank you enough, buddy.